I'm Dennis with Dragon Group China, New York.
Hi, it's Ian from Dragon Group Manchester.
And we're here to show some features of the brand new Bird 8888.
The Bird machine comes with 4 interchangeable heads. And you've got this one which is fitted now, which is the hot air. And these easily just disconnect. That comes straight off. And then straight away you can swap for, you've got the tubes, infrared, standard infrared heater, which is the one most commonly used. And then you've got a larger Elstein SHTS 100, which is quite a powerful heater, good for PlayStation 3s and large chips. And these just go.
All parts easily interchangeable. Essentially what the system does is to eliminate the need to pick a certain type of machine, where we have 4 different options available for the heating source that you'd like to use. You know, a choice between hot air, a tube array, and infrared. First time available ever on the market, where all 4 different types of heaters can be used.
Yeah, it's got a nice universal jig as well, which just, you know, you can adjust that any way you want. Support clips. And it comes fitted with the Amiga TC, which is an external TC, which you can use. And then you've got a vacuum pump for removing the chips, which you'll see being worked on in videos.
And we'll get into explaining the programmable display for your slopes in another video. But essentially, this is the new Bird 8888.
Yes, what I've done with this one, I've just set the profile so the middle heater is on to focus the heat in the middle. Right, it's only a small board. And you just lift this chip off. It's an old graphics board, but I want to take the chip off, save the chip.
Again, we're using the tube array, right?
Yeah, tubes.
Okay. So this basically demonstrates the fact that when you're working on a smaller board, you don't need to use as much energy running all 4 heaters on the bottom. All the heaters just to one in the center.
Yeah, it's quite a large heater in the centre, so it will do a reasonable size board. nice clean lift on that.
Basically, Ian just stood there and made up the profile from the top of his head, and he nailed it on the first try. Pretty impressive. Nice job.
That's a chip anyways. No pop cards. That's a nice clean lift there. Yes, that's good.